Identifying physical hazards in food manufacturing. Let's look at physical hazards and their sources in food manufacturing. First, what are physical hazards? These are objects that can accidentally get into our food and cause harm if ingested. Let's find out where they come from. One common source is machinery. Broken pieces of equipment like metal shards or plastic bits can fall into food during processing. Next, we have packaging materials. Fragments from packaging, such as plastic, glass, or cardboard, can end up in the food if not handled properly. Then there's employee practices. Items like jewelry, hair, or even pens can accidentally contaminate food if workers aren't following proper hygiene protocols. Another source is raw materials. Ingredients can sometimes come with unwanted objects like stones, bones, or shells if not properly screened. Lastly, facility maintenance. Things like ceiling tiles, paint chips, or screws can fall into food if the manufacturing environment isn't well maintained. Being aware of these sources helps us prevent physical hazards and keep our food safe. Always stay vigilant and follow safety practices. Thanks for watching. Follow for more food safety insights. Stay safe and alert.